Look at that streak of below normal temperatures for almost 2 weeks straight. We ended that yesterday when we finally were back above normal with a high of 64, hit 69 this afternoon. I have us back in the 70s tomorrow for the first time since November 10th. That was the last time we were back in the 70s, and we'll definitely be there tomorrow. Today, it's just over a degree below normal for the entire month. Outside right now, not a whole lot going on, but we will have clouds moving back in overnight tonight from the south as some moisture moves back into North Texas. Tomorrow morning, there might be a stray sprinkle. There might be some patchy drizzle here or there through the morning hours, but check out by noon, that sunshine is back out, and it will be out through the remainder of the day tomorrow. So your rain coverages, it's maybe a stray shower for the Dallas area, perhaps a couple of them off to the east of DFW, but most places tomorrow will be dry. It's a little higher rain chances you head over into Louisiana. That's where tomorrow afternoon and evening could have some severe storms, not in North Texas, but off to the east, and actually potentially some significant severe weather in parts of Louisiana and up into Mississippi. A 4 on a scale of 5 for severe weather out that way. Remember, not in North Texas. We will not get any of that. What happens tomorrow is we warm up into the 70s for highs tomorrow afternoon, but then we'll be watching this next cold front. 7 o'clock tomorrow evening, starting to move into North Texas, still in the upper 60s to about 70 degrees. But that front arriving in DFW, basically by the time I'm talking to you at this point tomorrow night, we will have this cold front be moving through the area. It's 40s across northern North Texas, 60s across southern areas out ahead of that front, and that cooler air will definitely spill in. It'll be one of these fronts that you notice when it passes. The winds shift out of the north, gets a little breezy outside, and those temperatures will fall. And by Wednesday morning, we'll be down in the 30s area wide, some places even down to that freezing point. And with the breeze first thing Wednesday morning, it definitely will feel like freezing or below that. In fact, probably a lot of you will feel like the 20s first thing Wednesday morning. Wednesday afternoon, not going to warm up a ton. At least it'll be better than what it's going to be in the morning, but still about 40 at noon. And then your highs on Wednesday will only be around 50 degrees. Some of you in the upper 40s, some of you in the low 50s. We'll call around 50 an average high. So we go from 70s tomorrow to only about 50 on Wednesday. As I mentioned, classic Texas. Breezy and mild tonight, down to 56 for that low, and then tomorrow warmer and windy, 76 for that high. Soak that up because the changes arrive as we head into Wednesday. December begins, kind of a typical December day for you. 30s in the morning, 50s in the afternoon, but then this cool down doesn't last 2 weeks in a row. As we go back into the 60s Friday, 60s for the upcoming weekend, maybe even 70s again on Monday, and it could be a little rain around sometime the weekend into next week as well.